Hi guys, welcome back to the my channel. Since we are already made a 5 video talking about one eye and one INOS or just so INOS as a hosting provider, why not a piece is the web good and dive into what the INOS website builder has to offer. Is it a modern user-friendly tool with affordable pricing or something you should skip entirely and run to another option? All this question and more will be answered in my INOS website builder review anyway for everybody else. Where I start this review by looking at the very first part of building your website, choosing a good looking template. Does not go wild with its template, though there are only a handful of them. The design here are clean and tailored for business or portfolio need. That said, creative are not left out. There are full colorful modern looking template as well. I also appreciate that you can preview how template will look on a phone or tablet before making your choice. You are probably notice the giant text at the top that keep screaming AI. So let's look at what the INOC AI website builder offer it work with prompts, so we can enter a description and then select a tune. After this there a quick step for color font and your website in info. Then we get quite a good looking selection of design. Now not every generated template is a winner, so you might want to play around with the prompts and step. Overall, I have to say that I am pleasantly surprised by the style of template and the modern approach with AI integration. Is it's a plus for INOs. You have the main menu on the left with all you need: app market, web editor, e-commerce, and email market. I have to give a small bonus point for the easily accessible and elastic. However, the app market cloud use more app right now. It mainly offers translator and looking booking add one. So while it's not the best website builder for small business, it's still a solid choice for lending page portfolio or local business sites. Next, let's dive into website editing before we explore the other tool available. If we go to the dashboard and click edit website, we go to get to the editor. It's a interesting approach. There says quite unique. The most attention grabbing feature is the preview, which show a similar version of your site while scrolling. Quite a neat idea. The content tab allow you to mess with website structure, editing pre-made section or rewriting them. However, there are no drag and drop control or individual elements placement. The editor great you with a rather unusual design approach. If you navigate the two section setting, then two elements and activate this mode, UI be able to move elements freely, similar to Wix or Hostinger. As for the individual elements, you can add. The selection is not extensive, but it's decent. In an interesting design, choose switching modes. Do not change the entire editor. It only affect the specific section you are working on. This means you can mix drag and drop section with more straightforward pre-made option. On one hand, you need to activate the drag and drop mode for each section individual. If you want to use it across your entire site, you can use AI with any text elements by simple double clicking on it. This brings out the standard word editor option and AI helper. You can also improve text based on tone, but you cannot really give any other parameter. Here continues with them. You can create an image with AI. If you go to replace any image currently, you can only enter a prompts. There are no reference image or style option, and the quality is more cartoonish than real. So I don't know how much I would recommend it. using it better using it. The stock picture that offer a realistic looking royalty free images, so you don't need to worry about license or another stuff. Overall, while there are some interesting discussion, the website builder editor feel and control like a modern beginner friendly tool. Everything is here is quite self-explanatory. The style tab all allow you to customize color, font, and other small option. The page tab lets you customize the structure of your site or add a new page, and of course the shop is of product management. All right, let's answer that question. Is INOS good as a website builder, or should you go elsewhere? To be fair, it's surprisingly good and modern tool with a free trial and even a $1 a month plan. While it use of five odd design choose and cloud benefit from more design options for variation, it's still a solid choose. It might not be the best website builder out there, but it's definitely a tool ID recommended for beginners. So give INOS a shot and don't forget those discount link to save some sweet. Thanks for watching my INOS website builder review.